Dad, what are you making?
I'm making a study table for you both. Having a good table helps you do your homework and projects better.
How do you know what size to make it, Dad?
To make sure the table is the right size, I need to measure the wood. Measurement helps us find out the size, weight, volume, and even temperature of.
Tell us more, Dad.
We measure different things in our daily lives. For example, a tailor measures cloth and measures the person before stitching a dress. And the best example is your mother. Your mother knows how much milk we buy and use daily.
Oh, now I understand, Dad. So, how do we measure things?
Let's start with length. We need a unit to measure length. We measure the length in meters, centimeters, and kilometers. For example, this ruler measures in centimeters and meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
So, can we use this to measure how long the table should be?
Exactly. And for longer distances, like from our house to the park, we use kilometers.
But Dad, what happens if we don't have any measurement tools?
Well, several decades ago, people used their hands, feet, rope, and palms to measure lengths. But since everyone has different lengths of feet and palms, we needed the standard unit of length.
Dad, how do we measure weight?
We use grams and kilograms to measure weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. You know, kids, when we go to buy vegetables, the vegetable seller measures the weight of the vegetables before giving it to us.
This one says 1 kilogram. It feels heavy.
Yes, and smaller objects can be measured in grams. For example, a pencil might weigh about 20 grams. Let's talk about volume. Volume is how much space something takes up. We measure liquids in milliliters and liters. Milliliters, ml, and liters, L, are units commonly used to measure volume. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters.
So, if this bottle has 500 milliliters of water, it's half a liter?
That's right. And when we talk about capacity, like how much a container can hold, we also use liters and milliliters.
Do you remember, Dad, when we went to the doctor last time, he checked my temperature? Is he also measuring how high my fever is?
Yes, Khushi. Temperature tells the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or an object. We measure temperature in degrees, Celsius, and Fahrenheit.
How do we know if we have a fever?
For that, we use a clinical thermometer. It measures our body temperature. Its range is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or 94 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. You know, kids, normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is so cool! It's like doing math!
Lastly, we measure time. Time helps us know when to wake up, eat, and go to school. We measure time in seconds, minutes, and hours.
So, when it's 2 o'clock, we know it's time for lunch?
Exactly. A minute has 60 seconds, while an hour has 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 30 or 31 days make a month, and 12 months make a year. Now that you know about measurement, let's put it to use. I'll measure this wood to make sure your table is the right size.
Can I help, Dad? Me too.
Hold the measuring tape here, Khushi, and Avnish, mark this spot at 50 centimeters.
This is fun. We're learning and making something useful.
Yeah, I didn't know measurement could be so interesting.
I'm glad you both enjoyed it. Remember, measurement is all around us, and it's very useful in our daily lives.
Thanks, Dad. I can't wait to use our new table.
Me too. And now we know how important measurement is.